Hello, I'm Bo, and I'm here to talk about Cat Reman cylinder packs. When you need to overhaul your engine or replace pistons and liners, consider Caterpillar's remanufactured cylinder packs. They're designed to perform like new for a fraction of the price when you return acceptable core to your authorized Cat dealer. Cat Reman cylinder packs are also backed by a same-as-new 12-month Caterpillar limited warranty. Cat Reman cylinder packs go through robust quality checks to meet Caterpillar's performance specifications. They are ready to be installed as a unit, eliminating the need to identify individual piece parts, saving you labor hours and money. If you have questions about these or other Cat Reman parts, contact your local authorized Cat dealer and visit cat.com/reman for more information.